If you've never rekeyed our small pin sliding deadbolt locks before, it may seem difficult at first. But with our patented locksmith-friendly features, you'll see just how easy they are to rekey. Hello, I'm Michael with Olympus Lock, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to disassemble our small pin deadbolt locks to prepare them for rekeying. For this procedure, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a small diameter tool, and optionally, a following tool. Using your screwdriver, remove the patented set screw from the side of the barrel. Pull the internal cylinder housing out of the lock body. You now have 2 options for rekeying the cylinder. The first option is to push the plug out of the lock with a following tool. This will retain the top pins and springs in the lock and is a faster method for a simple change rekey. Pry off the retaining clip at the rear of the lock. Use the change key to turn the cylinder a quarter turn and push the plug out with the following tool. When rekeying is completed, reassemble the cylinder and reinstall the C-clip. The second option is to remove the patented reusable top slide from the lock and top load the pins. Place your finger over the top of the lock as the springs are under pressure and use a small diameter tool to remove the top slide. After rekeying, slide the top slide back onto the lock. Align the notch on the rear of the cylinder with the corresponding alignment lug on the inside of the lock body. Slide the cylinder into the lock body and reinstall the cylinder set screw. Your lock is now ready for use. If you need more information, contact us via email at info@olympus-lock.com, call us at 206-362-3290, or visit our website, olympuslock.com. Thanks for watching.